Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I'd like to show you how to create the private airplane animation by using one photo. So how is that possible? Don't worry because this video we will show you how. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. So guys, the first step you can do is install this Pixverse from the Android phone, and you can install it from the Play Store, or if you are the user of the iPhone or iOS, don't worry because you can install it from the App Store. And as soon as you have installed it, then you can open it, and after that don't forget to do the login or sign up first with your email, because this application will give you 60 credits as the for the new user. And if you run out of the credit, don't worry because this application will give you or will renew the credits every single day at UTC 0 following your time zone. And let's go back to the tutorial. Since we would like to create the private airplane animation, then we will go to the template. This is the home page, by the way, that shows another animation from another user. And we can go to the template section and click this searching section. And I will type private airplane and enter it. And as you can see, this is the animation that we will use. Click it, and after that it will direct you into the gallery that contains your favorite photo. Then you can select the picture that you would like to create the animation. And as you can see that this animation will need 20 credits to go, and since we have 60 credits, so it will be enough to do the generation. And if you're ready, then you can continue to create. Click create, and it will take you a while for this application to do the generation. And you have just see the notification, and the notification will be show up here. There you go, this is the notification. You can click it or simply click this notification menu, and let's see the result. Isn't that cool, right? So for this video, after you generate it, then you can download it and save it into your gallery or upgrade it to become the HD version, but it will need 40 credits to go. And also you can share this video to your favorite social media. So that's all guys, don't forget to try it by yourself and explore more for this application. And also don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe this channel. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.